Welcome and welcome back to the channel, guys. Real quick, I want to talk real quick about I got a friend, a co-worker down there, a mechanic. All right, he's pretty depressed right now, guys. I want to talk about AC on this video. All right, AC repair, air conditioning. Okay, we are now in peak summertime, or it's getting real hot, and people want their AC fixed. Okay, now if you're a mechanic, a DIY guy, technician, whatever you call yourself, and you're dealing with complaints such as my AC is not cold, you have to be extremely careful how you go by diagnosing AC repairs. Now this situation is a customer just spent, I don't know, $2,000–3,000 on AC repairs, and here they are back a week later with no AC. The reason behind that is there's no refrigerant in it anymore, which tells me that there was a leak that he did not address. Okay, now addressing the leaks is part of figuring out what's wrong with why the AC is not cold. I'm not sure if the technician did that. He may saw something with the compressor, because he ended up replacing the compressor, condenser, and something else. I don't know why, but at the end of the day, if there's a leak, that car is going to come back with an angry customer, especially after they just spent that much money. So my suggestion to you guys is to approach AC complaints in a different manner. Okay, especially first thing most people do when they're dealing with AC is they do a pressure reading. If it is determined that the system is low, you likely have a leak. Now from that point on, that should be your main objective. That should be your number one concern. Okay, there's not much Freon in here. Why? Likely because there's a leak. Okay, get the dollar signs out of your mind, okay, because you're not going to hit a home run on every car. At this point, what I would do is suggest what I call an AC system service. That consists of 1 pound of Freon and some refrigerant dye. Guys, we're talking about R134, okay, not the new stuff. The new stuff supposedly come with dye built into the refrigerant, okay, but not this. So I end up selling a service, which means I can finish topping off the AC and add some dye. From there, I would let the customer have the vehicle back and drive it until it happens again. That way I can look around and find a leak. Guys, I know we living in the, but if you get AC wrong, you're going to end up with an angry customer and an angry boss. And it's not going to be a good look. So you got to find a different way to approach AC. Now if you do it all in one whop, you make the repairs, and the leaks was part of the parts you replaced doing the repair, then yeah, kudos to you, but that doesn't always happen. Okay, so if it's a leak, or if it's low, there's a leak. Address the leak. Okay, you never know. If you have a full charge, AC might be freezing cold, and the only problem is a leak somewhere. That is another hurdle you're going to be, you got to find out where it leaked out at. And the best way, in my opinion, the best way to find leaks is with dye. Okay, and then you grab your lights, ultraviolet light, and your glasses, and look around, and from there you can find it. And I'm gonna have to go down here. I'm gonna go down here and talk to my buddy. I feel bad for him. I've been there. Yes, I've been there. Okay, people don't play with their AC, especially after they spend $2,000. Yeah, they want results. All right, so we're gonna go down here. I think I have some dye somewhere around here. We're gonna put it in the car and look around. Hopefully the leak is large enough to rear its ugly head to be seen, so we can fix it. And hopefully it's not from the evaporator coil, because that's the hardest part of the complete AC system, pulling the dash out to replace an evaporator coil. So that's all I have, man. I just want to leave that tip with y'all. If it's low, focus on the leak, guys. I'm telling you, you'll thank me later. All right, you don't want to ruin your image by just not worth it, guys. I know this is good, but your integrity may be more. All right, guys, that's all I have. Thanks for watching.